Hey, what's up guys? So today we've got a bit of wrenching to do on the Losi 5T. Seem to have a problem with the rear diff. It's locked and I haven't put a locker on it, but that other wheel meant to spin the other way and it's locked. So let's figure out what's wrong in it. So to get to the rear diff, all you need to do is move a bolt from the chassis brace and 4 bolts from in here, wiggle it about, and that's it. The whole back end comes apart. Right, that's all the stripping done, and I had to remove everything pretty much. Reason being, there is a stripped head on here, so I'm gonna have to cut a slot on that and remove that bolt to be replaced. So anyway, once you move 2 bolts from underneath and those 2 in there and everything else out of the way, the case itself just comes apart. So let's see what's going on in here then. Well, that is strange because everything seems to be okay. Right, I think I figured out the issue is there is too much play on that. You can see it kind of moves in. Right, I done some digging and turns out there's 2 reasons for that. One of them, low quality. Apparently they say this is a 775 alloy. It's not really, it's quite soft, so wears out quite quick. The other thing is there is no brush bushings in there, so there is nothing, and this is all because of that. Kind of wears out everything quick. So I'm gonna machine that out and put a brush bushing in there, and hopefully that will help. And I already shamed that as well. I faced it off, taken like 1/2 mil off, so it should be a tighter meshing. So this is what I've done. I've machined the drive casing itself and inserted a brass sleeve in there, which is tighter on the drive cup. So a lot less play. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. It's all fixed up and I should catch you on the next one.